So if you don't need gas, just pull off to the side so everybody else can get the fuel. We then will proceed to the whiskey ranch for lunch on our own. Everyone will be there for a limited time. We plan to be out of there at 2:30. Jack will have kick-stands up at 2:30. And put it by my mouth.
They didn't put lipstick on it or anything.
Yeah. There'll be a couple flag girls there when we get to the whiskey ranch. They'll direct us to our parking area. There's also a lot of other places to eat if you look on the back of your map. And we're going to keep this quick. When we get back, we're going to have games, the bar will be open, and then we're going to have a fun day. That's it. Anybody else got something to add?
It's a nice bullhorn. The dollar store? That thing.
Hello, Badgers, and good morning!
Good morning!
First off, a huge thanks to Renee. Where's Renee?
Yes.
Fantastic. Secondly, a huge thank you to the Hearst family. Right? We're all the Hearst. And the class. The Hearst and the class. Just fantastic amount of work they put into this whole thing. Just fantastic amount of work. And then one last thing for all the route people. Jack Yunker. Right there. Tommy Hinderholtz, Kevin helped as well, and Gina helped too, and of course Mark again. So, and Mark on the mugs too. The mugs
yeah, he's just holding it. He's not digging into it.
Oh, sorry. How's that? Is that a lot better? Okay. Thanks for all the route people too. Yeah. One last thing. It's going to be hot. It's going to be sunny. Sunblock up. So I already did. And thanks to Paul Wolbing who put the car mix samples for our lips in all our bags as well. So big thank you to everybody. And Joanne too. What did I do? You didn't want to help us there. Thank you everybody. Have fun. Let's ride safe.
Hey, Renee, you want to say something about lunch?